Okay, guys, if you're watching this, I'm either trying plan B or I'm not here today. So either way. So I'm going to pace this out to where the 6-hour class was yesterday. So if you've already done this next problem, skip it and do your own. All right, so I'm going to do this slow. We're going to go step by step and teach you some basics. All right, so if you'll grab your little packet thing out, this is on problem 1-13. So the circle thing looks like a little flower. Okay, first thing you're going to do. Now this is a circle with a 3-inch diameter default. There's two ways you can do this. One, at the top of your screen, you can hit center diameter circle. Click someplace on your screen. You see you get a little measurement thing. Type 3, press enter. You got your circle. Another way to do this, if you want some extra practice, type C enter. You click over here on the side. You can either type in 1.5 or click diameter and type 3. If you have a funky diameter like 3.158, it'll make your life easy. Okay, next step. Draw a line from the center on up to here. This will make life a little bit easier for you. Okay, next step. Ignore what I'm doing here for a minute because I made a tiny mistake. Okay, so we're good to go now. All right, so next we're going to do an array. This is a bit of an advanced modification, but you guys are smart enough to figure it out. I have faith. All right, type in AR, quick command for array. You get this little 4-box thing that pops up on your screen. Okay, step by step, follow me. Click the object. I want to click this line first. Enter. Polar. Okay, specify center point of the array. I want this because I'm going to make this line 6 times. I click here. You see what happens? Magic. Now, this must be unchecked. This is bad. If this is up, you can't change or edit it. Now, just for what you can see this is, if you type in 8 and you press enter, you should get more, and I did. Mine's lagging a bit. All right, I want 6. So press 6, you press enter, this updates, press close array, and you're good. You have the little lines in the middle. So do that, and then come back to the video. Okay, you're back. Haha. All right, circle. C, enter. Do not do the diameter one. All right, you're going to click the top of the arc, move your mouse down, click. Watch this. Press enter. Click, middle. Click, middle. Get it? Got it? Go. Keep doing this throughout the outside of the circle. One more, and I'm done. All right, last step. Guess what? Trim. TR, press enter twice, click these, click these, click these, click these, and click these. You're done. If you wish to remove these, you can. If you don't want to, I don't care. I'm just doing it for aesthetics. I'm just clicking on it, delete button. That's it. You don't right click or anything else. That's a fast way. Okay, last up on this is I like to see some numbers on here. So I'm going to click this. I'm going to go down to diameter and click the outside of my circle, 3 inches. All right, now I just realized I probably should have kept a few of these because I need an angle measurement. Should have done that. You guys can redraw it. Not a biggie. Okay, I'm going to click up at the top again. I'm going to go to angular. So click this, go to 1, right to the next. I get 60 degrees. You're done. Good job. Do that. Come back. We'll do one more. All right. Thanks. Okay, one more, then you're on your own. I may do one more past that. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, 1-8. This one's a little tricky, but you'll have no problem. All right, click line. So as we discussed yesterday, your polar needs to be set to 15. That's a good number. All right, so all you're going to do is you're going to click someplace. Now, you'll see on your screen, you see that little 45? That's what you're shooting for. As you're moving up and down, you see it snapping on to that. So, go ahead and do that. I had to pause for a second, but I'm back now. Okay, so draw that little 45 angle, type 2.5. All right, switch that, 135. It's kind of the same as, 45, 90, 135. So anyway, type in 2.5 again. Go this way, 2.5, then attach. So we got the outside done. All right, time to use that O-track. Click on the bottom, take your mouse, touch this. Don't click, touch, and go down, click. Go up, go over here, go to the right, click. Go to the left, go down, go up, click. Same thing again. Touch, go over, and click. Sorry I went fast there. Go and do that. If you're in doubt, come back, watch that part again, or if I'm here, call me. All right, do that. Okay, next part, we're going to draw some lines. Click line. If you do it with me, it'll be faster. I'm going to show you some cool stuff. Okay, so draw a line right here. All right, so I just drew a line in the middle. Just do that, and then just come back real quick. Okay, offset, 0.25. Click here, go out, go out, go out, and go out. Now go to the middle and do that again. Okay, I have all these things set, so go do that and then just come back real quick. Okay, now we're going to trim real quick. TR, enter, nothing fancy. I'm going to draw a little box this time. If you haven't seen that, it's really cool. That'll save you a whole lot of time. Okay, so do that, and then just come back real quick, and we'll do the last steps. Okay, we're going to teach you something called a mirror. Type in MI, press enter. Okay, I need to select all my objects. So do this first. I'm clicking all these. Watch this. I'll draw a box. Click this, and I'll click this. Okay, if you're going step by step, just pause and go back and forth. Okay, press the enter button. I'm going to click this spot here. I'm going to click this spot here. This will ask me, erase source object. No, because I want to keep that. So just press no or press enter, and there you go. Guess what? Do it again. MI. Click all these things again. You could do it the hard way. That's up to you. I like doing things the easy way. And that's what I'm trying to teach you. Okay, so you click all these. You press enter. Click here. Go to here. Press enter. You're done. That was easy. Okay, now what about this stuff inside here? Well, here's what we're going to do. Offset. That 0.25 is clicked. I don't need it typing in because the program knows what I'm doing. Type 0.25. You press enter. You click here. You go in. Do the same thing on all four sides. There you go. Next up, trim. Bam. Oops. Trim. Enter. Enter. Click. 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 And click. Cool. Keep offsetting, folks. Now, if I want to, since I know this problem real well, let me move this, I could go ahead and offset in. That way I just have them all made. You do this any way you feel comfortable with. Okay, now watch this. Trim. I'm going to make a fence this time. If I click fence, watch this. I get a line. Oops. Let me try that again. Fence. I click. I click. I click. I click. I click. I click. Enter. Do it again. Press enter. fence. Click, 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 and click. Enter. All I'm doing is I'm typing TR. I press enter once. Press enter again. It makes everything into a fence. I click fence one more time, and then I click, I click, I click, I click, I click. I done. All right. So good job on that one. If you got into last thing is dimensioning. It's a little different. Look up here. Click this on your dimensioning tool. I'm going to click align this time. So I click here. Okay, so you click here. You click here. I go down. I have my 2.5. Here's the difference. If you go linear, you go from here to here, and you get that funky number. I don't want that. That's bad. That's not your bell. Stay here. All right, so last ones, I'm going to go from here to here. Oops, see? I did the wrong one. I click aligned. I don't think this will work. Nope, because I got the same angle. All right, I click here, and there we go. Okay, if you got those done, you're good. So you should have 3 done. So hopefully this will give you a little bit of kickstart. I don't want to do them all for you because that's no fun for you. All right, good luck. Hope this goes okay. Hope these videos work. If you guys like these, I'll keep making more. All right, thanks. Bye.